I'm Christy with Clients First Business Solutions. This demonstration is a brief highlight on the key features of our ProMRO solution for aviation. We have customer equipment, where you can track and store information related to aircrafts or components and identify subtype categories and classifications for your equipment. Each field is reportable and you will have work order history at your fingertips. Service profiles and packages, which are templates that can be used for a repeatable work scope. These templates allow for standardization of repairs, ensuring all technicians follow the same procedures you have outlined in your work step instructions, increasing safety and compliance. These templates also allow you to define materials and labor and expected revenue. Service profile packages allow you to group together multiple service profiles within one work scope package, improving work order efficiency and productivity by eliminating guesswork, which reduces rework by ensuring accuracy the first time. Tool tracking. Our tool tracking solution provides you with an improved tool accountability and prevention of foreign object debris by ensuring all tools are returned after use, preventing tools from being left inside aircraft components. By utilizing the tool register, you will have better maintenance and calibration control, giving you the power to ensure tools are serviced and calibrated on schedule, providing overall cost savings for your business. Our ProMRO solution will provide your company with enhanced operational efficiency, improved regulatory compliance, increased security and data protection, and most of all, enhanced employee productivity.